Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to see a sum count quickly in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to see a sum count quickly in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to see a sum count quickly in Google Sheets. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, here's our table. Let's choose this column. Okay, Control Shift down to highlight it. Then here, count number 44 cell with a number without the title. All 45. Okay. Max, min, average, and sum of the number. You can let it as sum or change it to count number. Okay. Make sure it's formatting from here is number or currency, so you can count easily in this way. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to see a sum count quickly in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.